Hey, what's up everybody? My name is David, owner and operator of Prestige Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be working on a F-150 on the back door. This vehicle has a crease right across, and the dent's right on the body line as well. We're going to be taking the inner panel stuff off to get to the dent, and with no holes, no drills, no nothing like that. We're not going to be drilling any holes in this. We're going to be taking the inner panel stuff off to get to the dent and make it look like nothing ever happened. So stay tuned, guys. So I already got the inner panel stuff off, as you can see. Took it off. Panel's right there. So right here we got access to the dent right here. This is where the dent's at, in this area. So I'm going to be able to push with my tools right in this area here to get that dent out. Alright, we're all done with this dent. As you can see, it came out really nice and clean. My hand's a little shaky because I use a lot of power to get this dent out. But the dent's gone. Got everything put back together. Inner panel stuff. So we're done with this dent. The dent took about 2 hours to remove. Customer's not here at the moment, so we're gonna wait till he comes and has a look at the dent before we even charge him. Customer has to be 100% satisfied. If he's not, we're not gonna charge a dime. Alright everybody, I hope you guys liked what you saw. That's how paintless dent procedure is. We go in there and massage the dent out. If you have any questions about paintless dent removal or services, feel free to contact us at 208-985-8189. Thanks again for watching.